Yeah. That is awesome. Was he crying?
Why are you squeaking? Who's squeaking?
Oh, they're all running away now. They're like, these people are crazy. Screw this.
Actually, you know what? We scared all of them.
They're all
That's awesome.
Here, why don't you leave us? What is the matter with these birds? There you go. Well, at least the seagull's still
He's
up
got
there.
seaweed now. He's chewing on seaweed.
That was a better.
At least get to leave them and get some more.
Come here. Here's another buddy.
But yeah, look at what I thought, guys.
Quick, Mom, jump in the water, tackle it.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Somebody's got an S on their forehead.
no doubt.
You see it sticks.
Rocks.
All the colorful duckies coming out. He's like, fuck that.
He's making a spot.
Yeah, no doubt.
He's clearing out the back.
He's getting the pot ready.
I just want to patch. I'm not going to patch.
Oh, he's got birdseed. Ah.
Oh, smart man.
Oh, yeah.
I have not seen that on my hand. That's given he's gonna peck you.
Yeah, I know. That's awesome. Something different. Oh, yeah, watch this. They can't paint it all, for real.
It's, you got all these upside down.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's my parents.
Yeah, they're crazy.
Yes, I just admitted to that. You wonder why I'm crazy, hey babe?
No doubt.
It's like National Geographic
Holy
right here in our
crap.
backyard.
grip on that.
You guys are a bunch of pigs.
Oh, aren't they?
I'm gonna go around.
Look how they're going.
Look at it. He's trying to clean his teeth out. He's probably choked off. Right on tape. Oh, come off the camera.
Don't peck my phone. Don't peck my phone.
Watch him try and eat it. Take the water. Oh, can you imagine? Look how bad they look.
They don't even care what it is. They're like, oh, it's gotta be food. I'm gonna eat it.
Oh, they're really laughing. That helps.
Okay, you guys go fuck yourself.
Yeah, no doubt.
Look at,
They just want to eat every bit of it.
look at. Oh my, what nice legs.
Yeah.
Look at that. He's punching you. Oh, look what nice legs you have, my dear. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Look how fast their beaks get going.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Hey, no.
Isn't he big? This guy.
King Kong over there?
Whoa.
Holy, you're
He's
giving me
like
my
the
phone.
ringleader.
Look at nasty. Even with all his hissing and stuff, he's still leery.
Oh, geez.
I know, like that one's just hungry. He wants to eat everything.
You like my phone?
Look at. I can do that too.
He's like, what? Oh, it's like that, eh?
He looks at like,
For what?